Big up everybody worldwide. You don't know, it's your boy, Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. It's a good day today. I'm sure you hear the birds them are chirping at the background. You understand? You have to love it. Good vibes only over here upon my channel. You see me? Today I'll be detailing an Audi Q7. So kick back, relax, enjoy the video, like up the video, share up the video, and please subscribe to the channel.